Hey guys, welcome back to Pivot's MakerHub. In this video, we will talk about how you can measure room temperature and humidity using an Arduino UNO and DHT11 sensor. Before moving into the video, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel so that you can get more videos like this. So let's have a look at the components required for this project. So we need an Arduino UNO board and an DHT11 sensor which sensing temperature and humidity. So Arduino UNO is a microcontroller board based on the ATmega328. The DHT11 is a basic ultra low cost digital temperature and humidity sensor. Now let's connect the sensor with Arduino. The sensor has 3 pins: VCC, data and ground. Connect the VCC to 5 volt of Arduino, data pin to the digital pin 2 and the ground to the ground. Now connect the Arduino to the PC using a USB A to B cable. And now it's time to upload the code. We need Arduino software to upload the program to our board. So download link is given in the description. After downloading and installing the Arduino, now we have to take that Arduino code from the link in the description. So now we have to select the board type and port. So for that, go to Tools and select board type. Now we are using Arduino UNO, so clicking on the Arduino UNO and it's okay. And now we have to go for Tools and select the port. Select your port which connected with Arduino UNO. So if you are trying to upload the code right now, you will have some error, but don't get panicked. It's because you haven't installed the DHT sensor library. So let's install DHT sensor library. To do that, go to Tools menu over here and click on Manage Libraries. Here search for DHT11 Sensor library. And click on the Install button. The DHT Sensor library requires the support of another library called Adafruit Clarified Sensor library. So let's install this too. Click on the upload button on the Arduino software and now wait for the compilation. Yes, after compiling successfully, it will automatically upload the code into Arduino board. To read the sensor values, open the serial monitor by clicking this icon over here. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.